let's talk about our website GeekyScript.com interactive labs. Like let's say you want to see how mass sort is actually happens. So you just generate a random array and click on this play button, and you can see this is how it's going to sort this entire array using mass sort. You can increase the speed and you can see now it is happening little faster. We have a live code tracer here as well with JS, Python, Java and C++ coding. Increase the speed and it's going to sort it quickly. You can go and check all these different data structures. You can see we have about hundreds of data structures. All of them are completely free. So this is binary search, then this is binary tree, AVL tree and all of that. So you can go and check this full list and you can see that we covered everything: linked list, stack queue, DQ, all different type of trees, heap tree, linear probing, sparse table, graph, BFS, DFS, every single one of them. So don't forget to check our interactive labs. I am definitely sure you're going to love them. So do check out our website geekyscript.com.